Hey guys, Melissa here. In this video I want to show you how I made this 6-strand round braid. It's a cool braid you can incorporate in your jewelry designs. Really quick, I'll show you some different variations that I was playing with. This one is 6 strands 22 gauge. This one is 8 strands 22 gauge. This little guy here is 8 strands of 26 gauge. So if you follow these tips I'm about to show you, you can play around with different gauges yourself and see what you like. So just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alright, so for this braid, you can do a 6-strand braid or an 8-strand braid, whatever you prefer. You can make them as long as you want. You can experiment with different gauges of wire. Today I'm going to use 22 3 15-inch strands. I'm just going to fold them in half to make it easier. Make them about 7.5 inches just to make it easier for you guys to see. So tools, you're not going to need many tools. Flush cutters, clamp, round nose pliers if you have them. Okay. You don't have to fold yours in half. I'm just kind of experimenting here. I thought it'd be easier for my clamp to hold. I'm going to use my cushion clamp here, see if that holds well. If you don't have cushion clamps, you can use C-clamps. Okay, so I'm going to separate these out. To start braiding, I'm going to identify every other wire, do a little curly cue on the end. On every other one so I can keep track. Because as you're making your braid, you're going to alternate who you're braiding in. So and at this point you need to get it in your head which direction each one is going to go. Like all the loops go to the right, all the straight ones go to the left, or vice versa. I'm going to have my loops go to the right. Alright, so let's go ahead and start the braid. I'm going to the right with my looped ones, so what you're going to do is bring all the straight ones down out and I'll have your looped ones up straight. So, and then you're going to go to the right, loop it over the straight guy, bring the straight guy up. Turn, take your loop, loop it over, go to the right, bring the straight guy up. So now you got the straight wires up, looped wires out. So now you're going to go to the left. Just pick a wire here and go to the left over that wire. Bring that guy up. Turn, bring that one down and that one up. And that one down and that one up. So now you've got all your looped ones up straight and all the straight wires to the side. So now loops go to the right. So just pick one, go over the wire immediately to the right, bring that guy up. Go to the right, bring that guy up. Go to the right, bring that guy up. So now you have straight up and loops to the side. So at some point your braid is going to form and you're going to want to start tightening. It's kind of hard at the beginning until you get a braid formed. So let's keep going. So straight ones are up, we're going to go to the left. Left, up. Left, up. Left, up. So your loops are all facing up. And try to pull that snug. All right, so now we have a little braid forming. Let's keep going. Right, up, right, up, right, up. Give a nice tug. You can pull the side ones out nice and evenly too. Give a nice tug upward. All right, time to go to the left. Left, up, constantly checking to make sure your loops are together and your straights are together or facing the same direction. All right, so loops are up, we're gonna go to the right. I'm also using my nylon pliers to help with pulling tight because my thumbs don't work very well. So I always need assistance. Here's my finished braid. That's what I'm left with at the top. By this point it's pretty sturdy. I ended up with about a good 5 inches of braid. So you can use braids like this in any of your jewelry designs. I'm working on this dragon eye. I used a braid similar to this one around the eye here. You can experiment with different gauges and different amounts and see what you can come up with. All right, so that's it for me, guys. I hope you got some cool tips from this video. Hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time.